In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the menu bar on Squarespace. So you've built your Squarespace site and it's looking pretty sharp, but there's just one little thing that's not quite right, the position of your menu bar. Maybe it's too far to the left for your liking, or perhaps it's not prominent enough for your visitors. Whatever the case, you've decided it's time for a change. Well, you're in luck. In just about 5 minutes, you're going to learn how to adjust the positioning of your menu bar to make your site look exactly the way you want it to. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate your way to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login, which should be prominently displayed on the page. For a seamless sign-in experience, Squarespace offers you the option to continue with Google. Go ahead and click on that. Then choose your Google account from the list provided to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get down to business. You'll want to make your way to your specific website within the Squarespace dashboard. To do this, you might see a list of sites if you have more than one, or you'll be taken directly to your site's dashboard if you only have one. After navigating to your website's dashboard, look for the Edit option. This is where the magic begins. Clicking Edit will take you into the editing mode of your website, allowing you to make changes to its appearance and structure. One of the key areas we're focusing on today is the site header, because that's where your menu bar resides. Look for the option labelled Edit Site Header, and give that a click. This will open up a new set of options specifically for customizing the look and functionality of your site's header, including the menu bar. Once you're in the header editor, you'll want to find and click on Edit Design. This is where you'll be able to make various adjustments to your header, including its layout and the positioning of the menu bar. Now, you're in control. You can adjust the other settings of the header to your heart's desire, whether you're looking to reposition the menu bar, change its layout, or tweak the size and color. This is the place to do it. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully adjusted your menu bar to better suit the style and needs of your Squarespace site. Remember, there's no limit to how many times you can adjust this, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect look. And that concludes our quick guide on how to move the menu bar on Squarespace. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? With just a few clicks, you were able to give your site a small but significant makeover. Remember, the smallest details sometimes make the biggest difference in design. So go ahead, dive back in, and keep tweaking until your site is exactly what you envisioned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most out of your Squarespace experience.